My name's Adam Chick, farming in the South Waikato. Been on this property for 20 years. I've got 300 hectares of dry stock sheep and bulls and running about 450, 500 cattle, R1s and R2s, and about 800 ewes, and running 2 Honda FA6s. The FA6 was what I was looking for really. The automatic and manual is really handy. So generally I have the auto mode on the races and across smooth paddocks, and then I'll switch to manual when I'm on the hills. Just got a lot more control that way. You can hold in gear better. Forward drive straight forward, just the push of a button. And if you want to flick into low range, you got the levers handy. Also the reverse button on these is super efficient now. You know, that's real quick. The previous brands I had, the CVT, there's a lot of slippage in the belts. There'll be days where it was fine, and then when it wanted to play up, it was just slipping all the time and jerking. The biggest thing I like about this is going away from the CVT to the different drive chain has made a massive difference. Just way smoother, definitely feels safer, and definitely more predictable. These bikes are really built for towing. I'm towing a trailer every day. I normally have 5 dogs in the trailer, keeps the dogs fresh. I keep the spray unit on this bike. The total weight will hold 50 litres. On the other FA6, I carry 3 or 4 dogs on the tray as well. The bike handles it really well. I've found the independent rear suspensions very comfortable. Might be doing an average probably 3 or 4 hours a day on the bikes, but when you're doing longer days, I don't seem fatigued at the end of the day. The local dealers in Tiamutu, they're really good. You know, the bike gets serviced pretty efficiently. So every 100 hours they get into service. You've got to have a reliable bike. If you know your bike's going to start in the morning and go all day, it's one less thing to worry about. So when people talk about Hondas, yeah, just a good workhorse, good farm bike. They're reliable, easy to maintain. They cost a little bit more up front, but you get that back with service and reliability in the long run. I've got friends and mates with other brands of bikes. Those companies don't want to know anything about their bikes for a trade-in, whereas with Honda you're guaranteed a pretty good fair trade-in. Until I retire, yeah, I'll be sticking with Hondas. Or probably even after I retire, I'll probably have a Honda in the shed.